Looks like I somehow dropped brown wash right here. It's kind of late to try and get it off with water, but let's find out. Let's find out if we can get this off with water like several days later. Got my Scratchy brush and it's wet. So I'm basically using it like a micro abrasion and it is coming off. To some degree. Wow, that's amazing. Note to self, like try and make a tip video out of that. There are certain approaches that I implement that I just wonder if they would help other people to share. But basically just sanding off. Particularly when it's dry brushing, I feel like I can actually sand away the layer. I mean, it's not noticeable now. Maybe under a macro lens, but I'm not worried about that. That's awesome.